Keyframe Wingman is going to be your most favorite tool for easing keyframes. You select keyframes and adjust the easing using the sliders. You can also type in the exact value. Here's how it works. I switch to the graph editor, where I can see the easing in a graph. You can see how Keyframe Wingman changes the easing values for selected keyframes. This is much easier than using the graph editor itself. It's especially useful when you're working with multiple layers and a lot of keyframes. The UI changes depending on how many keyframes you select. If you select only one keyframe, it looks like this. In the graph editor, you can see its easing values around the keyframe. If you select 2 or more keyframes, it looks like this. It's easing values between each 2 keyframes. And if I select more keyframes, it works the same way. Down here are the presets to save you some time. You can even save your own presets. So, if you got a lot of keyframes, just make a selection. Click, and voila! You got a nice animation right there. Keyframe Wingman is free. It comes bundled with Animation Composer, and you can download it at mrhorse.com.